is Greece. This is Europe. I live in Greece. In spring, the people in Greece celebrate Easter. We don't go to school for 2 weeks. My family does many things. My mom and grandmom clean our house. Sometimes we go to church in the afternoon. On Thursday, before Easter, we color chicken and eggs red. Grandma and Mom made special sweet bread for called turkey. It's very yummy. We like it very much. My godmother and godfather come to visit. They give me a present, a candle.
Okay.
On the Friday before Easter, we go to church, and in the evening, and then we walk around our village behind the epitaph. On Saturday, we go to church very late. We wear new clothes.
Okay.
And take our candle. At 12 o'clock midnight, the bell rings. And sometimes there are fireworks. Then we tap our eggs. And sometimes remember that Jesus is alive again. On Easter Sunday, we cook a lamb, a big fire, and eat lot of food and dance. Everyone is so happy. Hello.